Hello everybody, my name is Shay. This is Rustic Goddess Resale, and today we have a Once Upon a Child haul. So I did with my last video, I went to Once Upon a Child and sold stuff that I took directly from the bins to the buy sell trade store. I don't like to trade it out just because I like to take the cash for myself and get that full write-off with my purchase. So I spent around $150 and I got 2 bags of really good stuff that I'm excited to list. A few things are for me to keep for my kids, but I try not to shop a whole lot for my kids because I thrift so much that anything that I really want to find, I typically can at the bins or something like that. But I found this really cool, I think it's called a toddler blanket is what Kiki calls it. But this is a really nice kids brand. It's called Kiki or Kiki Pants. And it's viscose from bamboo. So all of these really high-end bamboo baby stuff goes really well. Kate Quinn is another really good one that I really like to buy for my child. And it's just really nice, soft stuff. And it resells really, really well. So I got that, and that was $12 with an additional 20% off. This one, okay, this one I was so excited about because this is very recent. This is from this year, and it actually is new with tags. Perfect pumpkin. Oh, it's just so cute. Wonder if it has a date tag. I remember, yeah, fall of 2022. I saw a Facebook ad for this and I was like, oh my gosh, I want this so bad, but it was like $45. I was not gonna pay that. Lo and behold, I went to my Once Upon a Child and I find it in a size that's gonna fit my daughter so I can take her picture in it and then I can sell it. I probably won't even take the tag off, honestly, just to preserve that resale value, but we'll just take a quick photo and we will be on our way. So I made a mistake. I thought this was vintage and I was duped. So I Google image searched this morning because I was kind of trying to look for comps for this video. This is from AliExpress. Like, this is a China, like this is something that's made in China to look like a vintage baby dress. And let me tell you, they did good because I felt just this material and I was like, this is for sure vintage. I'm so excited. Yeah, it's not vintage. I'm gonna see what the resale on this is. I paid less than $4.50 for it. So I don't know, should I keep it or should I take it back? I have a week to take any of this stuff back. But yeah, bummer. I really wasn't looking very hard at the bow because as you can see, there's like a little hot glue thing coming out from the bow. So definitely not vintage, but it's still a cute style. It's like it's supposed to look vintage, so I don't know. This time around, I did find another zippity zip. This is another size medium. I've sold this print before. It's like the, what is that, unicorns? And this one was actually priced at $7.50. It really just depends on who is pricing the items. Because there was a couple other ones and one was actually in worse condition than this one, priced at $10. So if they're under $10, they are always a pickup for me, but if they are $10 or over, I most of the time pass on it. And these will go at $22 plus ship all day long. I got this cute little Janie and Jack. Again, it's an older tag, but it's a Janie and Jack size 6. Cute little fall sweater vest, perfect for family photos, anything that I, would buy for family photos. I'm definitely gonna buy to flip because people are just looking for the items to match and they really don't care. Like, they just wanna get the item so they can take their photos. So this was $4.50 plus the additional 20, and that'll probably sell for 15 to 20 plus ship. I'm not sure if I really should have gotten this. So this doesn't have down in it. It's just polyester. Yeah, it's polyester and polyester fill. So it's not like real down, but it is Patagonia. And it's just a newborn bunting suit just to take them in and out of places and it was 20 bucks. But with the 20% off, it was 16, and I was seeing comps around 40. So 16 into 40, and Patagonia normally is a really fast flip. And it had a really nice sell-through rate. So I figured I would take the chance on that. This is a vintage tag Gymboree. Please tell me that's actually vintage and I didn't get duped again. But it's just a really cute, and it's new with tags, little vintage Gymboree sweater in a size extra small. So cute. So hopefully somebody needs that for their Christmas photos. Probably gonna get all of this stuff listed today so people have a chance to buy it before their holiday festivities. This came with 2 pieces. So this came with a little like top, and this is Janie and Jack. And then it also came with this cute little sailor jacket. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. My Once Upon a Child does not price Janie and Jack up. So Janie and Jack size 2T, so cute. But this little set was only priced at $8.50. So I got it for probably $6 something. So adorable. Always flip through the entire coat section, because I had gone through the coat section in the first round and was only looking for bunting suits, but when I was like trying to kill time, I really went through it and found all of these really nice coats. So that is another tip. Go through the coat section, because in the coat section again, I found crew cuts, a nice crew cuts navy blue blazer. These were comping out at around 40 and selling, like, there were 3 listed and like maybe 8 sold. So over 100% sell-through rate. And that is a size 6'7". This is another coat that I found that I had overlooked. This is the Polo by Ralph Lauren. Certain polo pieces do really, really well. This being one of them. This is what you would call like a barn jacket. That's got really cute corduroy. This was only $10, so I paid $8. And it's a size 3T. But these are consistently selling for like 50 bucks used on eBay. So that was a great find. Also in the coat section, I found this vintage Wrangler that I had missed. And while I couldn't find any comps, it is a size 8 and it was only $8.50. Sherpa lined. Somebody is gonna want this for their kid, a vintage lover. Look how awesome those sleeves are. A vintage lover is really gonna want this for their kid, and it is super, super warm looking. The lining is a little bit, messed up. I will just have to note that, but I know that I can at least sell this for 20 to 25, probably more, but that's just gonna be my conservative estimate. This, if you don't know, is like one of the most desirable Carhartt styles in men's. So I've never sold a kid's one, but I wanted to take the risk. This is a vintage, made in the USA, corduroy collar Carhartt, and it is in a kid size 6, and it is that tan color that Carhartt is known for. There are 0 little kids ones in this style that are vintage listed, and there are none sold. So I'm just gonna make my own price. I'm probably gonna price it at 50 bucks because my other Carhartts with that collar sold within like 3 hours of me listing it. Then another hack I'm gonna give you guys at Once Upon a Child is go through the big kid bins for shoes. So I find really, really nice shoes in the big kid bins. I'm talking Doc Martens for $8. I found some really nice, like, can't remember what brand they were. They were like work boots, like steel toe work boots for like $7, because they want to buy them because they're good quality, but they're not going to price them up because they want to move them quick. So they price the bigger size shoes very, very well. So these Keens, which look basically brand spanking new, but I've sold many of these for like 25 bucks, 25 to 30 bucks, just depending. They're a women's size 9, and these were $13. So got them for around 10. These ones these Chacos, basically great pre-owned condition. They are a women's 8 and they were 20 bucks, so I paid 16. But a lot of thrift stores will price these higher than 16 if they, know what they are. So it might take a little while for these to sell because sandal season really isn't, here, but people are going on vacations and things as well. So I always like to list everything all year just in case. And then these were the real finds. This is my last item. These are No Bull. If you don't know that brand, look it up. These shoes retailed for $179 and I have no idea why. Guess I've never worn them, but they don't feel like that high of quality. I've sold one other pair that I also found at Once Upon a Child, and they were very beat up, and I sold them for $65. So these are a women's size 8, great size. And I found the style name with Google Lens, and there's only 2 listed in black for $125 used. There's no magenta color. The only magenta color that is listed is on Poshmark, and it's like $175, but those are brand new. So I'm thinking I'm gonna get around $100 for these. So very, very happy about that. There's a little mark on the sole that I need to get off, but I'm sure that will wipe off with a baby wipe and they will be as good as new. So this was a shorter video. I think this is gonna air Monday, so happy Monday, everybody. I hope that you're having a productive day, or maybe just a reset day. Mondays, most of the time, are my reset day. So anyway, what did you think of the haul? Have you sold any of these items before, like that vintage Carhartt and Kids? Let me know what your favorite item was. And if you like me and you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.